Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new rows from Airtable to ConvertKit. This is necessary to automatically transfer new rows from Airtable to other systems. For example, in ConvertKit you can add new subscribers and set up email newsletters for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Airtable. Now, select the action, Get Rows, New. At this stage you need to connect your Airtable account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Airtable personal account. At this stage, we provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your Airtable databases. To do this, click Add a Base. I recommend providing access to all databases at once, so that in the future you will be able to work with them. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage it is necessary to select the base from which we will receive new rows. Also select the table. Now you need to select column of type created time. If you don't have anything in this list, you need to add a new column to your table. To do this, press plus and select the column created time. After that, refresh the ApiX-Drive page and select a column from the list. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see the data that is in the selected table in one of the rows. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Airtable data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system ConvertKit. Next you need to select an action, Add Subscriber. At this stage you need to connect your ConvertKit account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API secret. To get it, go to your ConvertKit personal account. Then go to Account Settings. Now we find the Advanced section. In the API secret field, click Show. Copy the API secret and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you need to select a form to which new subscribers will be added with each new row in Airtable. Now, you see ConvertKit fields for adding new subscribers. You can assign variables from Airtable to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point you see an example of the data that will be sent to ConvertKit in the form of new subscribers for each new row from Airtable. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ConvertKit. After successful sending, go to ConvertKit and check the result. Please note that after adding a subscriber, an email will be sent to him, so he will be in the All Subscribers section. After the subscriber confirms his subscription, he will go to the Confirmed Subscribers section. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ConvertKit as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.